Hey, Devan here. In today's video, we'll be going over a Qualtrics advanced training tutorial. We'll be covering the following topics: advanced question types, pipe text with embedded data, and survey logic. So let's get to it. So right now we're going to start with 3 advanced question types. The first one is called CAPTCHA verification. So this ensures that respondents aren't robust by presenting a challenge that must be solved to proceed. So this question type is useful fraud protection measure. For example, it can protect you when you're offering incentives to take your survey. So what you want to do is click add a new question, select CAPTCHA verification, and now people must now go through a challenge to complete the survey. Next, we will talk about file upload. This allows respondents to upload photos and documents along with their survey responses. So this question type can be helpful when you want to collect data that cannot be collected through the standard survey questions. For example, you can ask respondents to upload their resume or a copy of the receipt or a screenshot of an issue they're experiencing on their devices. So what you do now is you click on add question, choose file upload, and now the participant can upload any sort of document. Thirdly, the third advanced question type is called timing. The timing question type behaves a bit differently than other questions and can actually be hidden from respondents. It tracks the amount of time your respondent spends on a page and allows you to create a behavior based on that amount. For example, you can set how long a participant must stay on a survey page, or it can actually force a participant to move forward. So what we can do here is you click on add a question, choose the timing, and what I want to do is I want to auto advance a participant after 3 seconds. Now when we preview the question, it'll move the respondent on to the next question after 3 seconds. Next, we will be talking about pipe text with embedded data. This is useful when you have to use names multiple times and the name is dynamic. For example, you may know a name of a representative of a client spoke to, and you want to pipe in their name so the survey taker can have a better recall of their experience when providing feedback. So what we do now is we go into our survey flow, click on add below, select embedded data, type in name, and let us name the person Charlie. And then we click on apply. So let's replace all of these with embedded data with pipe text. And now click on pipe text and choose name. And now everything should say Charlie. So I'm going to delete name. I'm going to copy the pipe text. And I'm going to paste it onto this other name. So now when I go into survey preview, it should say Charlie. Perfect. And let me just check the other question as well. And it says Charlie as well. Awesome. Lastly, let's talk about survey logic. So when you have your questions created, you might realize that certain questions are only relevant to a subset of your respondents. So this is where survey logic comes to play. To make sure each survey pathway is individualized, you want to apply logic. So survey logic determines how users will navigate through the survey. It takes into account previous answers so that their pathways are customized and only relevant questions are being displayed. So for this question, where I want to follow up a question for participants who only chose chocolate, what I do is I click on question, click on display logic, select the flavor question, and make sure the condition is chocolate is selected. And I can select in page to show the same page. So now the follow-up question will only show if chocolate is selected. So when I select preview block, and then if I select vanilla, it doesn't show up, but if I select chocolate, it'll display. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, please leave a comment in the section below. Thank you.